How to delete avatar on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete avatar on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on edit profile button. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on your profile picture. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, just select your avatar tab, and here you may be able to see the delete avatar option. So here, if you found that, you can just tap on delete avatar and confirm it by tapping on delete again. But here, if you don't want to show avatar on your Instagram profile and you don't find an delete option, you can just toggle off this add to profile button as well. And that's it. That's how you can delete avatar on Instagram or hide it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.